What should be your good career option as a beginner? Have you ever thought about it? Do you have a good writing skill? Here we go. Content writing in today's business industry is one of the most effective career options that you can choose. Hey guys, welcome back to Wake Up Rainbow. This is Ishita and today I'm gonna tell you about how content writing can be your best career option as a beginner. In my last video, I already gave you a little bit of glimpse about content writing. There are two different parts of content writing basically. One is the academic content writing and one is the creative content writing. So today I'm gonna talk about academic content writing. In academic content writing, you will be paid by your words and it all depends on how much time you will be able to invest per day. Okay, for example, you are working 2500 words and you are investing 5 or 6 hours in a day, so you will be paid based on your words you have written per day. Lot of people are there who will hire you as a content writer if you have the efficiency, but it all depends on you how much you will be get paid, because you can get paid for 20 paisa to 1 rupee to 1.5 rupees, but it all depends on you and your experience. So if you do have an experience about this content writing field, you can directly contact with the freelance groups. You will be get paid from them directly. And if you do not have any kind of experience in this field, you just do not need to be worried. You just need to take a paid training initially. Lot of people are there who personally train the freshers and groom them up on how to develop contents, how to make a research and how to find data. Because initially if you are a fresher, you really do not have any kind of knowledge how to develop a content by making research and by finding correct data. For example, I personally have an experience in this content writing field for more than 3.5 years. So I have started a mentorship program of content writing. So if you are a beginner and you do not have any kind of experience about this field, you can just directly contact me in my official email ID. So I have started a mentorship program for the freshers on how to develop a content and how to make a research from various data. If you are a beginner and you want to start your career as a content writer, you can directly communicate with me in my official email ID, which is there in the description box. I would like to train you guys, groom you up so that you can get a good payment from the clients. And also, after being associated with this particular industry, so I have a lot of contacts with the client who can give you some projects and you can get paid from them by developing their content. So I can give you the contact numbers and everything if you want. It is a paid training and it's a course of 1 month. I believe that after getting a training for 1 month, you will be efficient enough to develop your content. But let me tell you something guys, I'm gonna give you a particular grooming session. I will be working as your groomer, not a teacher. So definitely I will not be able to teach you how to construct a sentence. If you do have the basic writing skill, do communicate with me and I would try my best to help you out. But if you are not comfortable enough in your basic writing skill, this video is not for you. I'm sorry. Coming back to the point, in this particular course, I would like to give you an overall glimpse on how to develop a content, how to make a research, how to find data and everything. At the end of the course, if you are not able to find the clients by your end, please do communicate with me. I would help you to find the clients so that you can get a better payment. And trust me guys, I personally know a lot of people who were a little bit of confused about their career and how to start the career as a beginner, but they have chosen ultimately content writing as the career option and they are successfully earning a lot of money. So you can also choose content writing as a career path, and if you are a beginner, you can take a paid training. So like I told you, my email address is there in the description box. I will take the responsibility, groom you up and help you to find the clients. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. Alright, so that's all for today. If you really like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.